Hello, hello, beautiful people. Welcome. Here we go. I'm going to give you the overview for today's work. So I'm going to go to our classwork stream. This is not live right now, but it will be at 11 o'clock. So here's what we're going to be doing, beautiful people. We are going to be going over the quadratic formula. So before you try to do anything today, I would love, love, love for you to just review your notes, look at the quadratic formula, look at the stuff in discriminant, maybe rewatch the video if you have completely forgotten what we did. But from 12 to 1, I want you to just do these four problems. Number 7, 13, 29, and 33 on page 586. That's your bulk of your work today. That's what's due today. Now, in my mind, this should not take more than 30 minutes. But I've given us quite the buffer just in case it takes you a little bit longer. So you're going to do quadratic formula from 12 to 1. That's the time span. That's the allotted time. But maybe we get stuck and maybe you don't. But either way, I want to see you at 12:45 for an overview of the remainder of the year. I'll be there until 1:30 in case you need any help with that. But I do want you to do those four problems within that time frame. And then I want you to turn them into Google Classroom by 2 o'clock p.m. So notice there's four problems and you have essentially 2 hours to do them. I don't want you to take that much time to do those four problems though. Just do them, get them out of the way, submit them onto this assignment, and then go on to your notes. And your notes are going to be just on graphing quadratics. I put 30 minutes. The notes should ignore that where it says 10.2. It happens. The notes is a 14-minute video and a 4-minute video. So together that's 18 minutes. Plus you need a good 10, 15 minutes just to write down stuff in the process. So in my mind, that should take anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. And so I've given you not quite 2 hours of work. I would say probably about an hour and a half. And then I want you to use the rest of the time to catch up on things if you need it, if you need to make up anything. The end of the grading period is on Friday. Looking at it, I don't really have anyone that needs to do any makeup work, except maybe one person. And we're going to work something out with that person. And so I kind of just want you to do this, and then that's it. You should have a good 1 to 2 hours of makeup time if you need it. So that's a beautiful thing. What I'm going to be going over at 12:45, and this will be posted probably about noon, is an overview of what we're going to be doing. So old school, this would be like your stamp sheet. New school, this is just the electronic version of what we're going to be doing. And so all of my links are here as well. I know that there are some of you that like to get ahead on things. And so if that's you, you can do the work, take your pictures, and then upload them on the due date. But this is what we'll kind of be doing. Shout out to my Star Wars people. May the 4th be with you. So you can see it. This goes up to the 18th. Not sure how things will look. So everything else after this assignment will be TBD, to be determined. But I wanted to give you guys kind of an overview. And so this will be posted at noon, and I will see you at 12:45, and we will get all of this stuff done, and we'll work together. It's probably about an hour of work, to be honest, maybe an hour and 15. So go ahead, do that, but make sure that you come in Zoom at 12:45. Love to hear about your spring break, if you did anything cool or had anything cool to do or to say. I'm just catching up to grades. I'm done with that, and so I'll be looking for some new recommendations. Thank you guys, and I will see you at 12:45.